How to fix a Roblox mobile app chat glitch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble or a chat glitch in the Roblox mobile app, here are some steps that you need to take. First and foremost, you need to check if your application is up to date. For the Android user, visit the Google Play Store and type in Roblox. If there is an update button, you will see update there. Tap on it and then the installation and update will start. You should also make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. You can restart your router if you are in Wi-Fi. Once you have updated the Roblox application, you need to restart the app. For this, close all the existing application on the recent app list. Once you have cleared all, reopen the app and check if the chat glitch is resolved. There is additional steps that you can apply. First of all, you need to clear the cache as well. In order to do so, long press your Roblox application and from there, go to App Info. Once you click on App Info, first of all, you can set up permissions and check it. Tap on permissions and set up and allow permissions to camera as well as the contacts. After that, go back to the previous page, tap on storage and cache and clear the cache. Once all of these changes are done, you can relaunch your Roblox application to check if the chat glitch is resolved. However, if it is not, you must visit the Roblox support page and describe the issue. Mention about your device and operating system, Roblox app version and steps you have already tried. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.